Hello guys, I am Arvind and this is continuation video of a string and it is part 8. So moving further guys, and in this lecture I am going to discuss how we can reverse the string, and there are two approaches to reverse the string. So in the first approach we will reverse the string using a library function strrev, and in the second method we will reverse the string without using library function. So let me open the Turbo C++ compiler. So guys, in this program we will learn how can we reverse the string using library function, and here in this program we are using strrev function, and that is declared in string.h header file. And now in main function I have declared a character array of size 20, and then I am taking input from the user by using getAs function, and that input string will be assigned to character array s, and then I am printing that string by using this printf function. After that I am passing this string s to this strrev function, and this strrev function will reverse this string, and then we can print this reversed string by using this printf function. So now if I run this program, so now it is requesting to enter the string, so let me enter the string. So the output will be like this. So it is the reverse string OLLEH. So I hope it is clear to you guys. Now moving further guys. So guys, in this program we will learn how can we reverse the string without using library function. So in the main function I have declared a character array s of size 20 and integer variables I, L and T, and we have initialized I with the 0, and then I am taking input from the user by using getAs function for the character array s, and then I am printing this string by using this printf function. After that I am calculating the length of string s by using strlen function, and I am subtracting 1 from this length of the string, and that would be stored to L. And why I am subtracting 1 from this length of the string? Because as you know that the indexing in character array always start with the 0. So suppose if we have a string hello, so the length of this string is 5, but the indexing start from the 0. So the at index 0 h is placed, and at index 1 e is placed, and l is at 2, and this l is at 3, and o is at 4. So in this case the length of this string is 5, but indexing start with 0 and end at 4. So suppose if we have entered hello as a string, so the 4 will be stored to L. So guys, what I am trying to do here, I will try to swap with index 0 to index 4, and index 1 to index 3, and index 2 with index 2. So that's why I am using this condition. So initially the value of I is 0 and the value of L is 4. So 0 less than equals to 4. So this condition is true. And here in while loop I am taking a temporary variable t. So that will store s of 0, that is h. So h will be stored to t, and then s of L, that is 4, s4, that is o. O will be stored to s of 0. So o will come here, and then h will be stored to at the last, and then I++ will be executed and L minus will be executed. So the value of I will be 1 and L will be 3. So 1 less than equals to 3 condition will be true, and then s of 1, that is e, will be stored to t, and then s of 3, that is L, will be stored to s of 1 here, and then e will be stored to at s of 3 here. After that I++ will be executed, so the I will be 2, and L minus will be executed, so the L will also be 2. After that this condition will be checked, so 2 less than equals to 2 condition is true. So now L will be replaced by L. Basically the alphabet is same, so there is no effect of swapping here. Then I++ will be executed and L minus will be executed, so I will be 3 and L will be 1. So 3 less than equals to 1 condition will be false, so it will come out from this while loop and it will print this reverse string by using this printf function. So now if I run this program, it is basically requesting to enter a string. So let me enter the string. So now it is the reverse string OLLEH. So I hope it is clear to you guys, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.